Hi Georgia, this video is for the Pick 3 pair method. All that is where you go back about a month and then try to find the day that the two digits are coming from. And then once you have found that, you're just going to apply it to the next 7 to 9 days. So for your state, Georgia seems to like Saturdays. It's good. This method is good for 7 to 9 days. Just for a couple examples on how to do this process is, so let's say that you had 4-5-4 hit. If you had played 4-5 front pair, you would win $25. If you had played 5-4 front pair, you would not win in this example because it does have to be a straight play. And then just a note here, it doesn't have to be like 4-5-4. It could have been like 4-5-0, 4-5-1, 4-5-2, etc. To win $25 there. Okay, so same number I'm going to share. So 4-5-4, and then let's say that you had played 5-4 back pair, then you would win $25. And same thing here, so say you had played 4-5 back pair, you would not win because you had played 4-5, or excuse me, you would have played 5-4 back pair. So you would not win in that example. If say this number came as like 4-4-5, then you would not win because it does have to be an exact number. And then same thing here, it doesn't have to be 4-4-5 or 4-5-4. To win, it could be 0-5-4, 1-5-4, 2-5-4, 3-5-4, 4-5-4, etc. Okay, so in this part of it, if you're not able to see the numbers very well, make sure that you do pull up whatever site you use to see the numbers so that you can follow along with me here. So I'm just going to show you some examples on how I do the back testing. So on Saturday, June 2nd, you had 8-7-1 hit. And then the pairs you're looking for are 8-7, 7-1, 8-1, 1-8, 1-7. So in this week, you did have 8-7-0 hits. So you did get a 8-7 front pair from that 8-7-1, and that hit on June 5th as 8-7-0. In the next week, on June 9th, you had 2-1-7 hit. So in that example, the pairs you're looking for are 2-1, 1-7, 2-7, 7-2, and 7-1. In this week, you did have a 7-2 front pair on June 11, a 7-2-8, and then you had a split reverse pair on June 12th with a 7-2 split with 7-3-2. In Georgia, though, you cannot play split pair, but it would have been helpful to just narrow down some 3-digit numbers. I'm going to show you a couple more examples. So on June 16, you had 3-9-2 hit, so you're looking for a 3-9 pair, a 9-2 pair, a 2-3 pair, or a 2-9 pair, or a 2-3 pair. So in this week here, you did not have any of those fall. So what you're going to do is you're going to extend out to 9 days. So you see down here, you had 9-9-2 hit, and that was exactly on the 9th day. So you're going to include the day that 3-9-2 hit. If you count that week, that's 7 days. and then you include 623, so that's 8 days, and then 992 brings you to 9 days. So in this example, you did have that pair, that 9-2 pair from 392 from the previous week, and that hit on Sunday on June 24th as 992. And then same thing in this week, you had 431 hit, so you're looking for a 4-3 pair, a 3-1 pair, a 4-1 pair, a 1-4 pair, and a 1-3 pair. And those numbers did not hit in that week there. So same thing, you are going to extend that out to 9 days. And then same thing, so there's 7 days here. And then out to 9 days. Again, that brings you out to July 1st on Sunday. And you see how 543 hit. So you did get a 4-3 back pair from that 431 that was over here. That 431 on Saturday. And then you can also use the same week to find another pair. So you're going to still look at Saturday. June 30th, you had 560 hit. So on 609, or not, on July 3rd, you had 609 hit. So from that 560, you did get a 60 front pair, and that 609 on July 3rd, on Tuesday. Okay, Georgia, so based on all of that, the potential pairs in the next 7 to 9 days, I'm going to be working with a 298 to get that. So that hit yesterday on Saturday on July 7. So from 298, you could potentially have a 2-9 front or back pair, an 8-2 reverse pair, an 8-2 reverse split pair, and a 9-8 back pair and a 9-8 front pair. That 2-9 and that 9-8, they could potentially reverse, and they could also split. So you might get like a 2x9 split, a 9x2 split, a 9x8 split. Then also that 8-2 could also just be like a straightforward 8-2 front pair, or 8-2 back pair, or a 2-8 front pair, 2-8 back pair. Okay, everyone, so that's pretty much it. If you do have any questions, just let me know in the comments.